This is Kew Gardens, one of David Austin's English shrub roses. And this is what they mean when they talk about repeat flowering performance. Kew Gardens will flower almost continually through the summer, right the way through into autumn. I'm here in the middle of September now, and I've got some roses in full flower, masses of buds still to come, and for continuity it's prompt deadheading, which is so important. When flowers are over, just find these faded flowers, follow the stem back and cut off just above the first or second leaf down the stem. So these flowers are over, they've finished, follow that back down, got a leaf, another leaf, another leaf, so just cut just above the next leaf down, trim off the dead flowers, and hopefully that will encourage new shoots to develop like we've got here. Prune the old flowering stem off, and then in the axial of that leaf where the leaf joins onto the main stem, got a new shoot growing up, and this will grow up and hopefully then produce further flushes of flowers like we've got here. So bit by bit over the course of the summer you'll get a succession of new shoots developing, new flower buds forming, and new flowers opening up to keep that colour coming right the way through summer, well into autumn as well. But the continuity of blooming through the year from Kew Gardens is absolutely superb. When the flowers first start developing, they've almost got an apricot colour to them, and as the petals open to reveal these beautiful single flowers, the petals become whiter, but the centre boss of stamens stays fresh and golden and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And another thing which is nice about Kew Gardens is that the stems of this rose are almost thornless. Can't find any thorns on these at all, so very easy to grow, very easy to prune. No thorns down these main stems at all. So really attractive in so many ways. And in fact in the winter, when I give these roses their winter prune and shorten these great big tall stems down, I take some of these sections of rose which grew this year and prepare these to take hardwood cuttings. You can just take a section of stem like this, cut it below a leaf node at the bottom, above a leaf node at the top, push that into the ground and propagate new Kew Garden roses from hardwood cuttings.